Narendra Damodar Das Modi was born on September 17, 1950, in Vadnagar, a small town in Gujarat, India. He was the third of 6 children in a family belonging to the Ghanchi Teli community, categorized as another backward class (OBC) in India. His father, Damodar Das Mulchand Modi, ran a small tea shop, where young Narendra often helped, developing a work ethic that would define his later years. Education and early influences. Modi's early education took place at the local school in Vadnagar. He showed a keen interest in debating and theatre, which helped him develop public speaking skills. As a teenager, he joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS), a Hindu nationalist organization, where he was influenced by the ideologies of national pride and discipline. This association with the RSS laid the foundation for his future political career. Political awakening and early career. In the 1970s, during the emergency imposed by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Modi actively participated in protests and was involved in underground activities to oppose the government. After the emergency ended, he formally joined the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), the political wing closely aligned with RSS ideologies. His organizational skills and dedication quickly earned him recognition, and he was appointed to several key positions within the BJP in Gujarat. Rise to Chief Minister of Gujarat. In 2001, following a devastating earthquake in Gujarat, Modi was chosen to replace Keshubhai Patel as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. His appointment was not without controversy, but Modi quickly set about transforming the state's administration. His tenure saw significant economic growth, infrastructure development, and the promotion of Gujarat as an investment destination. However, his tenure was also marked by the 2002 Gujarat riots, a communal conflict that resulted in significant loss of life and accusations of government inaction and complicity. Economic policies and development in Gujarat. Despite the controversies, Modi's policies in Gujarat led to the state's reputation as one of India's most business-friendly states. He implemented several initiatives aimed at improving the agricultural sector, developing rural infrastructure, and attracting foreign investment. The Vibrant Gujarat Summit, initiated by Modi, became a key event to showcase the state's economic potential on a global platform. Ascent to national politics. Modi's success in Gujarat laid the groundwork for his entry into national politics. By 2013, he was a prominent figure within the BJP, and his leadership was seen as a way to rejuvenate the party. In June 2013, he was appointed the chairman of the BJP's national election campaign for the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. His campaign was characterized by a focus on economic development, governance, and a strong nationalistic message. Prime Ministerial tenure. In May 2014, Narendra Modi led the BJP to a historic victory, securing a majority in the Lok Sabha, and was sworn in as the 14th Prime Minister of India. His tenure as Prime Minister has been marked by several significant initiatives and policy reforms. 1. Economic reforms *. Modi introduced the Goods and Services Tax (GST), aimed at creating a single unified market in India. He also launched the Make in India initiative to encourage manufacturing and attract foreign direct investment. 2. Digital India *. Modi's government has pushed for increased digitization of government services, promoting e-governance and improving digital infrastructure across the country. 3. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan *. One of Modi's flagship campaigns aimed at cleaning the streets, roads, and infrastructure of India. The mission targeted the elimination of open defecation through the construction of household-owned and community-owned toilets. 4. Demonetization *. In November 2016, Modi announced the demonetization of high-denomination currency notes, aiming to combat black money, counterfeit currency, and corruption. The move was highly controversial and had significant economic impacts. 5. Foreign policy *. Modi has focused on strengthening India's global position through active diplomacy. His foreign visits and engagement with world leaders have aimed at improving bilateral relations and attracting investments. 6. Welfare schemes *. The Modi government has introduced several welfare schemes like the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana for financial inclusion, the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana for providing LPG connections to women below the poverty line, and the Ayushman Bharat scheme for healthcare. Controversies and challenges. Modi's tenure has not been without challenges and controversies. His government has faced criticism over handling issues related to religious intolerance, with accusations of promoting a Hindu nationalist agenda. The 2019 Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) and the National Register of Citizens (NRC) led to widespread protests and were seen by critics as discriminatory against Muslims. Leadership during the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic presented unprecedented challenges. Modi's government implemented one of the world's strictest lockdowns to curb the spread of the virus. Despite initial challenges, India's vaccination drive eventually became one of the largest in the world. Modi's management of the pandemic has been a mix of praised efforts and criticized lapses, especially during the second wave that overwhelmed healthcare systems. Re-election and continued leadership. In 2019, Modi was re-elected with an even larger majority, reinforcing his popularity and the public's trust in his leadership. His second term has continued to focus on economic reforms, national security, and digital advancements, despite ongoing debates about his government's approach to social and political issues. Legacy and impact. Narendra Modi's journey from a tea seller in Vadnagar to the Prime Minister of India is a testament to his determination, political acumen, and leadership skills. His tenure has brought significant changes to India's economic landscape and governance. However, his legacy is complex, shaped by both his developmental policies and the controversies that have marked his political career. In conclusion, Narendra Modi remains one of the most influential and polarizing figures in contemporary Indian politics, with a life story that reflects both the aspirations and the contentious realities of modern India.